Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Kasi yung birthday ko masakit.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Here's my gift.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday. Right guys. Alright. Hindi tayo nagbiyahe ngayon kasi birthday ng ating mahal na asawa. Hey, come here na. Luto tayo ng baon ni Liam. Alright. So, gawa muna tayo ng baon ni Liam. I think ito. We will bake this one. Yan, ito magiging baon niya. Bake sausage. Okay, it's breakfast time with the birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Egg and sausage. Okay. Ito yung ating tirang ulam kagabi. Sinigang musba. Okay. Marami yan. Marami lang yung kape. Mart. Tignan mo. No. Nagdagan din ng creamer. Bangus. Sinigang na bangus. Oo. Nanti. Apa? Ito yung sausage na nabibili sa Costco. Sarap. Smoked sausage. So, oven mo lang siya. Alright. Ito pala. Kumakain ng itlog na sunog-sunog sa gilid. Naglilihi ka ba?